Hey ladies, I wanted to share a quick little video showing what I do to do my hair, to go from crazy lion hair that scared my husband.
Leo the lion.
Leo the lion. I'm called Leo the lion with my crazy lion hair.
But look at the presentation now though. Nailed it.
So, how I go from Leo the lion hair, crazy hair, to having it done like this. I want to share with you the products I use to get that done. The process I use takes me about 8 minutes to blow dry and about 6 or 7 minutes to curl it. So it goes really quick. And the products I use help make it a little more tame, not so lioness, and really healthy on the ends and smooth on the ends, even when there's split ends and things like that. So I wanted to share how I do that process with you. So here it goes.